How to make a vertical line between text in Microsoft Word. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, select the text which you want to separate. After that, go to layout, go to columns, go to more column. Then you have to select into how many parts you want to divide the line sentence into. Then add line in between, go to OK, and it will be now changed. If you keep writing the further, it will now a line will appear over here, and you will have to write another text here. Then after that, let's say you have reached now, as you can see, the line is now formed. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.